Hello everyone, let's begin the class. And in this topic we are going to study about Indian polity, the bird eye view. Okay, so here is also the verbal and the written form, and I can speak right on the way. So you have to just go through my speech. So for the clear knowing of the facts, so I am going to make the video now. So it is the very first in India. President is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Women President is Srimati Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. Vice President is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Prime Minister is Jawaharlal Nehru. Deputy Prime Minister is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Leader of the opposition recognized by Lok Sabha is Yavi Chavan. Okay, Chief Justice is Hiralal J. Kania. I am talking about first in India. Okay, Women Judge in Supreme Court is Fatima Bibi. Lok Sabha Speaker is Ganesh Vasudev Malvankar. ठीक है, गणेश वासुदेव मलयंकर लोकसभा स्पीकर, फर्स्ट लोकसभा स्पीकर. वुमेन स्पीकर फर्स्ट इज श्रीमती महिला कुमार. पंचायती राज इज फर्स्ट पंचायती राज इज राजस्थान. पंचायती राज एक्ट एंड 73rd constitutional amendment is for first time happen in Karnataka. Then non-Congress government in the state is first is Kerala. Okay, so this is the first in India. Got the points? Now next is main articles. Fundamental right is from 12 to 35, part 3. Very essential this one. Fundamental right is from 12 to 35, part 3. Right to freedom is 19. Abolition of untouchability is 17. Right against exploitation is 21. These are the fundamental rights. Okay, right against exploitation is 21. Prohibition on children below 14 years working in factories and mines is 24. Directive principle of state policy is 36 to 51, part 4. Directive principle of state policy is 36 to 51, part 4. Now the fundamental duty, part 4A is 51A. The fundamental duty is for 4A, 51A. Okay, money bill is 110. Annual financial statement is 112. Vote on account is 116. National emergency is 352. Emergency in a state in presidential rule is 356. Financial emergency is 360. Constitutional amendment is 368. The special provision for Jammu and Kashmir is 370. Authoritative text of constitution in Hindi is 394A. Panchayati Raj is 40, 243, 243(0). This is Panchayati Raj Act's main articles. Okay, municipality is 243P, 243ZG. Is municipality is 243P, 243ZG. The cooperative society is 243ZH. Cooperative society 243ZD. These are the cooperative society articles. So these are the main articles. Got the points? Another essential points. Main articles. Now the other is part of constitution quick scan. First part is union and territory. Second part is citizenship. Third part is fundamental right. Fourth part is directive principle of state policy. Fourth A is fundamental duty. Fifth is the union. Sixth is the state. Seventh is the state in part B and of the first schedule. 8 is the union territory. 9 is the panchayats. 9A is the municipalities. 9B is the cooperative society. 10 is the schedule and tribal area. 11 is the relation between union and the state. 12 is the finance, property, contracts and suits. 13 is the trade, commerce and intercourse within the territory of India. 14 is the services under the union and the state. 14A is tribunals. 15 is elections. 16 is a special provision related to certain classes. 17 is special official languages. 18 is emergency provisions. 19 is miscellaneous. 20 is amendment of the constitution. 21 is for temporary, transitional and special provisions. 12 that is 22. 21 is temporary, transitional and special provision, and 22 is short title, commencement, authoritative text in Hindi and repeals. These are the parts of constitution. That was the quick scan. Now the schedules. First schedule is description of a state and the union territory. First schedule is description of the state and the union territory. Second schedule is provision to the president and government of a state, speaker, deputy speaker of the houses of the people, and the chairman of the deputy chairman of the council of the state, and the speaker of the deputy speaker of the legislative assembly, and the chairman and the deputy chairman of the legislative council of the state, judges of the supreme court and the high court, and the comptroller and the editor general of India. Third schedule is the form of oath or affirmation. Third schedule. Fourth schedule is allocation of seat in Council of State. Fifth schedule is provision as the administrative and the control of scheduled area and scheduled tribe. Sixth schedule is provision to the administration of the tribal area in the state of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Sixth schedule. Seventh schedule is provision to the division of power between union and the state as per the first union list, second union list and third concurrent list. Eighth schedule is language as recognized by the Constitution of India. Ninth schedule is validation of certain acts and regulations pertaining to land reforms. That is the ninth schedule. Validation of certain acts and regulations pertaining to land reform. 10th schedule is provision to the qualification on the ground of defection. 11th schedule is power, authority and responsibility of panchayat. 12th schedule is power, authority and responsibility of municipality, etc. So these are the video I have made on 3 topics. The very first is the first in India, then the main articles, then we are covering the part of constitution, the quick scan, then the schedules. So I hope this is one of the most specified and concrete sort of knowledge I have given, and this is most essential facts I have just told you. So hope you all guys like this. So thanks a lot.